these are the apps that you need to have installed on your mobile phone as a content creator to make your content creation game a whole lot easier. I am fully aware that there are a lot of apps out there to help content creators, but the apps that I will be sharing in this video are apps that I have personally used and I can recommend because I've been using them since the time I started my video content creation, that is 2 years ago, on the YouTube platform. So if you're interested, then definitely want to keep on watching. Hello, I'm Goodness Igwe. Welcome back to my channel. If you're seeing for the very first time, hi, hello. Here on this channel, I do makeup tutorials, makeup tips for beginners, makeup hacks, product reviews, and content creation tips. If you're interested, let's get right into the video. I'll be dividing this video into chapters pertaining to whichever one you might be needing. So if you're interested in any of these categories, then feel free to come back and watch them again and again and again. In this video, I'll be discussing apps that fall under this category, which is the filming and editing, the camera application, channel customization, the YouTube growth and management, as well as the design application. So let's get right to the video. Video creation apps for both Android and iOS users. These are the apps that I'll recommend if you're new to creating video content, and the apps are VM Video Editor, which I currently use to edit my videos, InShot, and CapCut. I'm pretty sure that we know about CapCut because we're on TikTok and you're seeing the amazing things that CapCut provides us on TikTok. So you can imagine how much more would be available on the app. These apps have the free version and their paid versions, but do not worry because their free version contains numerous features like animations, amazing transitions, fonts, effects, sound effects, background music. They are beginner friendly, and the only thing that you might probably require to be doing when using their free version is to keep updating and upgrading the app. If you're in need of much more in-depth tutorial or any of the apps that I'll be mentioning in this video, feel free to comment below in the comment section. Just type the app and put -- tutorial, and I'm making a video just for you. The camera application, aside from your in-view camera that you have available on your phone right now, if you're in need to have pro looking features or you want to have more control over your clips, then the app for you is the Filmic Pro. You guys, Filmic Pro is available on iOS and Android devices as well. It's not a free app. It requires a one-time purchase and has a trial period. But with the trial period, when I was trying it out, when I was trying to save the videos at the end of editing, it had a watermark. Okay, so this just tells you that you have to pay for it. But trust me, once you pay for it, it's going to take your video game from here to here. It's going to be giving you DSLR camera settings on your mobile phone. So all the aperture, all the white balance, everything that you need to get, blurry background, name it, anything and everything that is available on the camera is available in the Filmic Pro. So once you purchase it, you will not regret it. It's going to take your video content creation game from this to this. Video production management app. Here I'm talking about the app that helps you take your video content creation game from the idea that you had about the video to you actually publishing the video. Think about like a planner, okay, that guides you on, okay, this is where you are, this is where you need to be, and this is where you have been. So the app I recommend is Trello. Trello is available on iOS, Android, and on websites. This app keeps me sane. It has prevented me as well as many other content creators from losing their minds, from going crazy, because it keeps track of where you are in one idea and how far you've gone. And I can't even begin to explain everything because it needs an entire new video on its own. First, I explaining how to use Trello and how to maximize it. It helps you become much more effective, and it makes you become much more professional in your video creation, channel management, and channel growth. If you're new to creating YouTube content, or you just want to grow and level up your content creation game here on the YouTube, these are the two apps that I strongly recommend that you should use as a beginner. You need to have the YouTube app and the YouTube Studio app. Chances are you are watching me right now on the YouTube app itself. On the YouTube app, you need to watch videos like you are doing right now. You need to upload videos. You need to go live stream. You need to create YouTube shorts and upload YouTube shorts as well. Whereas on the YouTube Studio app, you can use to check your analytics for your channel. You can use to add tags. You can use to add end screen. You can use to upload thumbnails. You can use to edit your description, your titles of a video. But the most important thing is that you can use it to check your data analytics of your video. Everything that concerns data of your video, your channel, everything, if you're monetized, how far long for you to start getting monetized. If you had a copyright strike, everything concerning data that relates to your channel is available on the YouTube Studio app. The YouTube Studio app is free, but the YouTube app itself is free except if you're considering paying for the premium, which takes out ads that you watch in video. So if you're watching a video, you know those ads that you see that you have to pay for like a couple of seconds before you can skip the ad. Yeah, when you pay for the premium package on the YouTube app, it takes away that whole ad thing, so you can just watch videos freely without any interruption whatsoever. Design app, these are the apps that are responsible for anything graphical concerning your YouTube channel or your content creation game. Talking about things like thumbnail, your end screen, your intro, your outro, your channel art, your channel banner, your profile picture, creating your channel art, creating your channel banner, anything that concerns touching up your content creation, touching up your YouTube channel page. These are the apps that will do it just for you. So I'm going to start with my favorite. Canva is one of the apps out there that can do a lot of things at the moment. If you want to do your intro, Canva is the guy. If you want to do your channel art, Canva is the guy. If you want to do thumbnails, Canva is the guy. If you want to do literally anything that about content creation, Canva is your guy. I like Canva because it gives this cloud vibe. So I can be working on my laptop on a Canva project, and it's the same thing that we have. What's up on the Canva, my iPhone, it's just float. It's very seamless. It's very beginner friendly. If you do not know jack about editing, literally just puts you through on how to create anything graphical. The second app I want to talk to you about is Fonto. I used Fonto majorly for creating thumbnails, for creating pictures, like graphical pictures that I want to do. So it doesn't do anything video for now. It doesn't do anything video, just pictures, channel ads, channel banners. If you want to do like a picture thumbnail, yeah, all this one like that, that's Fonto for you. It's free, yeah, but it has some ads that come to that. I guess that's why it's free, because they have to get their money back either way. So it's on iOS devices. I'm not really sure if it's on Android, but for now it's on iOS devices, and I use it, and it does an amazing job when creating pictures and thumbnails and all those things that I need for your content creation game. Another app that I want to talk to you about is PixArt. And PixArt is one of those apps that can literally do anything and everything for you right now. Okay, it can give you this cartoonish look. If you want to make your face stunt like animation, that AI effect is available on PixArt. If you want to do your channel banner, your thumbnail, if you want to like crop your face, want to move background, want to anything that has to do with editing pictures and even videos nowadays is there. You want to create a collage, you want to create thumbnail, you want anything that has to do with picture and turning it into art, is available on PixArt. Another app I make use of is the Magic Eraser. I use this app to remove background from my thumbnail. So let's say I take a picture for my thumbnail now, and I want to take out this entire background I'm seeing so that I can put it onto something. It's like that effect that you have now on iOS 16 that can take out the actual person from the background. Yeah, that's what I use my Magic Eraser to do. But this was before the iOS 16 feature came that you can take out, so you can remove the person from the background. Yeah, but if you're not using iOS 16 yet, Magic Eraser is a guy can help you to trace out, remove the background, and just gives you a proper way of controlling how to remove the background from the actual person, or even removing the person from the actual background, whichever one you want to do. It's not free, but you can work your way around this. Next app I'm talking about here is the Pixel app. I have used this on my Android device. If you want to create thumbnails on your Android device and you're not making use of the PixArt, I recommend the Pixel app. If you want a tutorial on this, I've already done it. I'm going to leave it up here in the card and also on my end screen, so you go watch it and you can see how I created that bam looking thumbnail on my Android device. So do not feel like you need to use a laptop or anything. This is available on your phone and it does an amazing job, and it is free. Okay, you don't need to pay for this guy. If you have an Android device that's laying down there doing nothing, pick it up, download Pixel app, and use it to create bomb looking thumbnails that can get clicks for you. So these are my top recommendations when it comes to creating video content for new creators out there. These are apps that are good for iOS and Android devices. If you need an in-depth tutorial or an actual separate video for any of the apps that I've mentioned below, do let me know in the comment section. If you're interested in learning how to create a thumbnail on your Android device, do click on this video here and this will take you to the video where I used the Pixel app on my Android device to create a bomb looking thumbnail. Thanks for watching guys. Next time, bye.